My current DIY project is installing these 12-foot pine tongue and groove boards on the ceiling of my back patio cover, and doing it by myself, which has presented some challenges to say the least. Here's what I came up with to help me out. I'll show you how I designed this in a minute, but you can see I'm able to place the 12-foot board in position. Once it's in the location I want, I place some blocks under the board to bring it up fairly even with the previously installed boards. That makes it easy to tap the board in and nail it to the rafters. Now here's a close-up of the jig. I got a pair of third hands by Fast Cap. I'll leave a link in the description. I screwed the end cap to the piece of a 3/4 inch thick board and attached 2 strips of the same board underneath. Now the main board of the jig gets placed on the previously attached boards on the ceiling with the strips sticking out to hold the board that I'm currently attaching. So far it's working out great, and it's getting more of a challenge as the ceiling height increases, but the third hands do extend all the way up to the final row. Hope this helps give you some ideas on how to do a job like this yourself. Thanks for watching. Now I gotta go finish this job.